Which image triggers a fear of losing control? Look closely. Your choice reveals what kind of chaos unsettles you most. If you chose the swirling vortex, you may fear being pulled into situations you can't escape. If you chose the brain tangled in wires, you might fear mental overload or breakdown. If you chose the broken joystick, you could fear losing control over your actions or decisions. Comment your pick. Let's see what your subconscious reveals. If this test reveals something dark, show your support. Like and subscribe to Fear Scan.